Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Rigetti Computing. This is ticker RGTI. Now, we've been following the quantum computing trade over at Stock Market Mentor, and Dan Fitzpatrick has a handful of winning stocks on his active trade list. Now, one of the stocks that I'm interested in is Rigetti, RGTI, because Rigetti is consolidating beautifully above its 8-day, 21-day, 50-day, and 200-day moving average. In fact, it's currently using the 200-day moving average as near-term support. And so I like the fact that we're consolidating above all the key moving averages. If I zoom out, you can see that when the stock does consolidate above the key moving averages, and when it does find support above the 200-day moving average, good things happen. And so I'm looking for something good to happen to Rigetti. And for that to start, we're going to have to see it break above this clear downward sloping trend line. So we have a bit of a flag pattern while the stock is in an uptrend, and we need to see the stock get above and stay above that level, 2750, and do it on good volume. And so I would have an alert in and around 2750 and look for Rigetti to get above and stay above and do it on good volume. That could trigger a trade with a stop down around the 8-day exponential period moving average. Now, if you'd like to add a little more volatility to your trade, you could definitely check out RGTX, which is a 2x leveraged Rigetti ETF, and it has a similar pattern, but it's under its 200-day moving average. And so again, you can draw a bit of a downward sloping trend line here, clear flag pattern, and the trigger for a trade would be a move out of that consolidation coming on volume with a near-term target up around 76. So that's just one of many trades we're looking at tonight over at stockmarketmentor.com. I hope that was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.